Fort blast in Delhi that happened on Monday evening has now been demolished. Two hybrid terrorists have been arrested in Sopore on Thursday. A joint operation by police and security forces had taken place in Mominabad. And now this news coming in that incriminating materials, arms and ammunition have been recovered in Sopore as well. The residence of the main suspect in this blast has been demolished in Pulwama. Investigation is currently underway. So we are bringing to you up to speed with this breaking news that has come in. The residence of Dr. Umar Nabi in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama has been demolished. This is in the aftermath of the Delhi blast. The agencies have taken the decision to demolish the residence of this particular suspect in the Red Fort Delhi blast. Two hybrid terrorists have also been arrested in Sopore, and a joint operation by police and security forces has taken place in Mominabad. Besides that, like we are telling you, incriminating materials, arms and ammunition have been recovered in Sopore. So a number of operations taking place at the same time. Investigation is also underway. Earlier, in a joint operation launched by police and security forces in Mominabad of Sopore district of Jammu and Kashmir, two hybrid terrorists, Shabir Nazar and Shabir Mir, were arrested during the joint operation. Incriminating materials, arms, ammunition have been recovered and the investigation is currently underway. So this is the breaking news that we are bringing to you. The residence of the main suspect in Pulwama district has been demolished. The main suspect's name is Dr. Umar Nabi, an accused in the Red Fort Delhi blast. His residence in Koil, Muslimpura area of Pulwama district has been demolished. This is reminiscent of what had happened in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack as well, when residences of those associated with the Pahalgam terror attack was also demolished. So again, a zero tolerance towards terrorism approach being demonstrated by the authorities in India in order to send an unmistakable message that such terror incidents will not be tolerated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has in the past already assured that the government will get to the bottom of the conspiracy and all the perpetrators will be brought to justice.